Hi traders, today is 26th of March 2020. We are on live day trading, Asia session and London session for Russell 2000 contract June 2020. So this moment we are still on the short sell position since yesterday. We have entered at 1114.70 and short sell till now price is at 1078.2, and you can see the profit from one lot position size is now is around 180 US dollar in profit for one micro lot account. But if you are trading a standard normal account mini, and you will earn around 1800 US dollar. So it was a good trade. So let's take a look on the larger picture how this trade been conducted. Okay, I did enter in this red line over here, and now market still remain on the bearish side. So that's why during that time there's more activity, and we are still waiting to take the TP areas at this green line. So based from the current situation, we are in the good position to earn more, and we move my stop loss towards the nearest high, which is at 1083.40. Okay, so let's okay, it's small. Okay, now the price break through this the boxes. Okay, alright, so now the profit is 186, 188. It was a good number. Alright, so already penetrate the boxes I've drawn. Okay, so now we are expecting for the market to go beyond below, far below, and for a better profit. So let me enlarge it the candle for a while. So now the price already exit the box. There's a small thingy little thing over here is shooting out. So and the profit now is 186 with one lot of a micro account. And yep, for normal standard account you will earn around 187 US dollar in profit. So I will move my stop loss to 1080, maybe 1086. Yes, we move my stop loss to 1086. So hard to see with this platform. Alright, another two more points below, so change to 6. Okay, good thing. Alright, so based from a larger picture, so let me take a look on this hourly chart. So there's a good indication that the market will go further down, maybe until 72 or maybe until 63. So there's a previous level of that price movement. So now the market already going down to 75. So once again we can see over here. Alright, so creating a new low. Okay, it's not that fast compared to the US session about the volatility and the speed of the market, but it's still good to make some decent good money. So profit now is 193 US dollar. It was a good one. So I will move my stop loss further down later on. Alright, so far looks good. You can see that there is a big red candle turning down. So I remove my stop loss. The profit now is 200. I think it was a perfect one. Let's wait a few more candles. Hopefully the market will go further down. Alright traders, I've risen back again. So market seems like a choppy price movement. So you can see ups and down, ups and down. There's no clear direction of the trend, but it's still a bearish, but it's more like a choppy price kind of movement. So based from current profit is 203 US dollar in profit for micro account. For normal standard account you might reach to 2000 US dollar in profit. So I will move my stop loss to 1078 in case the price reverse back. Alright, so price already moved out from around that. Okay, so we did move the stop loss, and market remain on the bearish side. So now creating a new low. So our TP is 10 more points below. So now we are 208 US dollar in profit. I think 220 I will exit the market, or 230. So 208, keep counting, and for the normal standard mini account should be around 2100 US dollar. Is quite a lot, but this one is a micro account at 210 US dollar. So seems good. Okay, we might need to prepare to go flat, because I cannot hold any longer. Holding since early this morning for a session, now in London session. So the lowest low is about 71.8, 71.9. So 210 US dollar now. As I said just now, the market really choppy. It's very hard to determine the real direction, because it keeps going down and up again, then down again. But still, we are on the bearish movement. I have short the market since early this morning, and now 210. So I will satisfy with 200 US dollar in profit. Now 210. So just focus on this profit target. Now it's 208, 209, 210. So the lowest is 71.5. My target is 62, a bit far. And also it's really tiring for this trade, because the market didn't go exactly in the first mode of trendy direction. So if you're looking on this chart as well, you can see that the market sideways, but bearish sideways kind of movement. I think should be enough. I will exit my position any moment soon, but normally when I exit, it will go further down. But let's wait. In case the price is back to 78.5, then I will exit over there as well. Alright, move further up. Okay, now 205, 206, going back down. It's very hard to do any good analysis for this kind of market situation. Looks like the market is wearing off, and maybe perhaps waiting for something to stimulate or to push the price, whether to go further down or to go further up. So this due to the current coronavirus pandemic, which might cause the globe or the market, financial market, on the good bearish movement. For us, when we short the market, is a good situation. So I need to remove my stop loss to 74.20. So I'm removing my stop loss to 74.30. Alright, over there. So in case the price was back, then we'll hit and we will exit. So the profit now is around 205. I think we will out any moment soon. Alright, okay, we out. So we out at 1074.60 with the entry of 11.14. Should be around 40 points. Yes, 40 points, so 400 ticks. So this was a very long trading day, and 40 points should be around 200 US dollar in profit. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, or comment below. Okay, we'll continue resume later on during the late evening for London session. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.